bought myself a present. I've bought myself the Osmo Pocket. Good morning, today's Wednesday, it's the 19th of December and we're camping now from now until after Christmas, so my vlogs from now on will have a camping element. I hope you don't mind. When we're camping here, I love to go for a morning walk on the beach. This morning I slept in a little bit, it's already 7:15. The reason was I stayed up late trying to upload a previous vlog. Anyway, I went to bed and then next minute at 1 a.m. I heard my son outside our caravan yelling and this big crash and Kafoople, and I jumped out of bed and went out and he discovered a big possum on top of our coffee machine eating our loaf of fruit bread, and he like shooted away and he got a fright, it got a fright, and so everything crashed down and it ran off. Anyway, of course, after something like that, it's not easy to go straight back to sleep. So I slept in. Anyway. Got my hat. I didn't want to rummage through all my bags while my husband was still asleep. I'm gonna have to go and buy a cheap little visor or something. Oh, look at that. It's like a pufferfish thing. Can you see it? Ugh. Yeah, it's a bit glary. Also, I didn't bring my contact lenses, which means when I go swimming, I'm gonna be a bit blind. Ah, it's okay, I'll survive. I'll just, I don't know. We shall see. Oh, you know, I can see, well, there's a big crab. Oh, there's more crabs. Gee, there's a lot of crabs today. I bought myself a present and I had it posted here to the campground so that I could have it. And I want to show you it when I get back. I will open it on camera so you can see what it is. So I've made it to the end of the beach, and I have this little ritual where I have to touch the rock when I make it to the end. I'm allowed to have a little rest here and then I have to go all the way back there. I'm a bit unfit, hey, it's a bit of a struggle this morning, but that's only going to get better the more I do it. And the sand is quite soft today, so it's a bit of that sinky feeling, you know. Oh, I'm pretty keen to go for a swim at the end. I didn't bring a towel. Alright, back we go. I'm almost at the other end of the beach now, and I've been walking for an hour since I left the caravan park. I used to do this whole thing from caravan to caravan in 1 hour. So the situation has plummeted regarding my health and fitness, I would say, but the only way is up, right? Here is the rock at the other end of the beach, which I'm touching. So, canyon at that entry point there, walk that way, and then this way, and I'll go back out there. I wouldn't mind a bit of a swim. That was really good, and I've cooled right off. Really nice. Really great way to start the day. In today's video, I'm going to open up this box which has arrived from Video Guys. It's something that I ordered from them a couple of weeks ago and it has arrived at the campground. So I'm going to open it up. I've bought myself the Osmo Pocket. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, here's inside the box. Smaller than I thought it would be. This is the case. Wristband thing, so you don't drop it. That's good. This is the cable. And these little connector things. Oh, that's the phone connector. And
one's a USB-C.
how small is it and cute? So I'm hoping to take some good shots with this.
Yes.
Wow, this is how big it is. Can you pass me the iPad? Okay, here's an iPad mini. And this is the size of the Osmo in its case. So it's pretty small. What have we got to measure? Where's my phone? Oh.
Where's your phone? It's filming you, you goose.
So things have digressed, not digressed.